Version 1.1 of the Polykit for MODO brings significant enhancements to the radial and linear alignment mesh ops. Let's take a look. Radial Align now has two modes of operation, circle and n-sided. In n-sided mode, two new controls become available. Sides controls the n in n-sided, whereas rotate affects the orientation of the polygon. The biggest change is that Radial and Linear Align now support falloffs. These can be added in the tool pipe section of the mop stack. Falloffs modulate the parameters of each alignment. They can be set to affect each vertex individually or on a per polygon island basis. In the latter case, the falloff is sampled at the centroid or average position of the island, and all vertices within that island are affected the same way. Finally, you can choose which parameters are affected by the falloff. By default, all except weight are affected. For example, if you just want to modulate the radius, simply uncheck the other values and hey presto. Modulating the weight will go from a full alignment to no alignment according to the falloff value. I hope you find these additions useful.